In this video, let me show you how to see all iMessages apps on iOS 17. Hello everyone, this is Solving Factory. So let's start with the tutorial. First, go to your Settings application. After that, scroll down until you see General and tap on it. Next, tap on Software Update. You need to make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 17 to have this new feature where you can see all your iMessage application. Now open your Messages app. On the left side, you will see a plus sign. Click on this plus sign and you will see more. After that, you will see various applications, and there you have it. That is how you see all your iMessage applications on iOS 17. Solving Factory at your service. Kindly give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and leave a comment for your suggestions. We'll see you on the next video.